Okay, good morning student. Today in this session we are learning the uses of stem cells. See, this stem cells is a using and it is a making the it is using and regenerative therapy. It is a regenerative therapy, again is a two types. Regenerative say regenerative therapy see, these regenerative therapy is a two types, cell therapy and to produce a blood cells. First one is a cell therapy. Okay, see what said cell therapy. Cell therapy means it is a type of treatment, and here is the used to the replace dead cells. It is a dead cells is a replacing. In cell therapy, it is a replacing the dead cells. Replace the dead cells. Okay. Next we have to see the diabetes also. Diabetes. What is diabetes? We have to see the nowadays a number of people is facing the diabetics. See, our some glands. So it is a pancreatic glands is not sufficient producing the insulin hormone in our body. See, if we are not producing the insulin hormone in our body, what will happen? Sugar levels is increasing. Sugar levels is increasing in our blood stream. See, that's why we have to do this cell therapy to them. See, if you doing this like cell therapy, it will be controlling the diabetes. So it is a sugar levels is a controlling. Say one is a glucagon and insulin. Two hormones is a releasing. See, this insulin is a regulating the in our bloodstream. It is a sugar levels. Next we have to see the myocardial infraction. Myocardial. Next we have to see the myocardial infarction. See, myocardial means we have to see the in our heart. See, blockage of blood arteries. Blockage of blood artery. See, myocardial infections. See, it is a blockage of some arteries. What will happen if arteries is a blockage? Is a blood is a transporting to each and every body cells. See, each and every body cell to there is each and every body cells to so it is a lungs. Okay, so it is a blockage of the see this like myocardial. See, the walls also tricapsid, bicapsid walls is there. They have to transport the this blood from arteries to vein. For example, which is the biggest artery in a human body? Which is the biggest artery? Aorta is a biggest artery. Aorta is a transporting the blood each and every body cells. See, oxygen rich blood is a transporting the each and every body cells. If a blockage of the these like arteries, what will happen? They can't flow the this blood each and every body cells. We have to use the this cell therapy. Next we have to see the Parkinson diseases. Parkinson diseases. It is a Parkinson's diseases. See, this like paralysis diseases. It is a neuron disorder of central nervous system. See, where is occurring? Disorder of central nervous system. Central nervous system. See, affect the movement tremor. Affect the movement is a tremor. See what is? See this line affecting. It is a disorder of central nervous system. We are calling the Parkinson diseases. Parkinson diseases. See, there is no controlling. See, the nervous system is a damage. They can't. They can't detecting to the another person. See, this like central nervous disorders. Next, Alzheimer diseases, disease of the memory. Alzheimer diseases. Next one is a Alzheimer diseases. Alzheimer diseases. Alzheimer's diseases. What is Alzheimer diseases? Here, Alzheimer diseases is it is a disorder of memory. Disorder of the memory loss. Disorder of memory loss. It is a disorder of the memory loss. See this like Alzheimer diseases also we have to see. We have to see some movies also, some Hindi movies or Tamil movies. For example, we have to see the best example that movie is Aparchitudu. In Telugu for also is there. We have to see the multiple disorder is there. Memory lossing. See, Ram, Remo. See, this like disorder is occurring. It is a loss of the memory. See, sometimes it is a getting the old people, even young people also getting this like diseases. Alzheimer diseases means it is a loss of memory. Next, this is a A1. Next, we have to see the regenerative therapy. It is a cell therapy. A1. See, replace the dead cells. Is there damage the cells in their body? We have to replace these cells using of this therapy. Next, diabetes patient also. Okay. Myocardial infarctions. It is a blockage of blood artery. Parkinson diseases, disorder of central nervous system, affect the movement of tremor. See, Alzheimer diseases, disorder of the memory loss. See, this is about the. Next, we have to see the B1. We are writing B also here only. B. What is here is a what say to produce blood cells. to produce blood cells. Okay. Say, using of the regenerative therapy, we have to produce the blood cells. See, first one is a anemia. Anemia. What is anemia? See, it is a decreasing the blood cells. Blood cells is a decreasing. Means we have to see the deficiency of blood cells. RBC. Basically, RBC is a less in their blood cells. See, we have to use this therapy and increasing the blood cells. Next, we have to see some another diseases, leukemia. What is leukemia? Leukemia is a blood cancer. Leukemia. Leukemia is a blood cancers. See, here we have to use this therapy and giving to the treatment of these cells. These leukemia cells is a treatment is a giving, and we have to see anemia means a deficiency of the red blood cells. Leukemia means it is a cancer. We have to use this therapy and it is a curing the cancer diseases. Next we have to see the thalassemia. What is thalassemia? Thalassemia. Thalassemia means we have to see this thalassemia has a deficiency of hemoglobin. Deficiency of hemoglobin. What is the main function of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin main function is a transporting the oxygen rich blood each and every body cells. See, it is a inheritance disorder. See, this one inheritance disorder. See, thalassemia is a hemoglobin disorder. Next we have to see the thalassemia is a group of inherited blood disorder characterized by the mild-serve anemia caused by the hemoglobin deficiency in red blood cells. In individual with thalassemia, the production of the oxygen carrying blood pigment and hemoglobin is abnormally low. See, if a hemoglobin is low in our body, see what will happen? The oxygen is not carry sufficiently to the each and every body cells. See, that's why we are using here also this regenerative therapy to these cells. See, yearly in the world so many members, so many kids is born. So it is this like thalassemia diseases. Next we have to see the organ transplantation.